Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Supreme Commander. To begin, select one of the three distinct factions: the technologically advanced Aeon, the agile Sibren, or the robust UEF. Each offers unique units and playstyles. Your initial focus should be on establishing a strong economy by building mass extractors and power generators. Engineers are crucial for construction, repairs, and reclaiming battlefield debris. Utilize the strategic zoom to effortlessly transition from a close-up view of your units to a full battlefield overview, maintaining constant awareness of the expansive maps. A robust economy is the backbone of any successful Supreme Commander strategy. Immediately prioritize constructing mass extractors on every available mass point. Simultaneously, build power generators to provide the necessary energy for all your structures and unit production. As your resources grow, upgrade your mass extractors to their second or third tier for a substantial boost in income. Don't forget to build mass and energy storage to prevent resource caps and ensure continuous production. Once your economy is stable, it's time to focus on unit production. Construct land, air, and naval factories to build a diverse army. A balanced force, combining tanks, artillery, air superiority fighters, and bombers, is essential for adapting to various threats. Your commander is a powerful asset, capable of devastating attacks and strong defenses, but losing it means defeat. Progress through the three technology tiers to unlock increasingly powerful units and advanced structures, giving you a significant advantage. For advanced play, integrate experimental units into your strategy. These massive, powerful units can turn the tide of battle. Efficiently manage your forces using hotkeys and control groups, allowing for rapid deployment and coordinated attacks across the vast map. Constant scouting is paramount to understanding your opponent's strategy and exploiting weaknesses. In the late game, consider deploying tactical nukes for area denial or constructing powerful shields to protect your vital structures from enemy bombardment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.